Music is divided by bars, by bar lines. The time signature, those two numbers at the beginning of the piece, tell us how many beats or counts in a bar. We divided things up like that because it makes music easier to read. So here's a short piece without any bar line. Let's see, can we fill them in? Before we do anything else, let's figure out how many counts each of these notes have. In the previous video, we have learned all crotchet has 1 count, all minimum beat has 2 counts, all dotted minimum has 3 counts, all sembrief has 4 counts. After we have counted them down, let's look at the time signature. At the beginning of the tune, this particular time signature is called 4/4. For now, let's forget about the bottom number and focus at the more important top number. This tells us how many beats will be in one bar. In this case, top number is number 4, so every bar will be exactly 4 beats long. All we need to do now is add up the counts so that we can get 4 and then draw a nice vertical bar line. Because it's the end of the tune, we need to add a special type of bar line to show that we are done. It looks like this, and we call this a double bar line. So we use the time signature to draw some bar lines and make some bars. Let's clap it, shall we? Always a good idea to clap this kind of things so that you really know it inside out. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome! Let's try another example. Now check out that time signature. This time the top number is in 3. This particular time signature is called 3/4. We're in a 3/4 time, so each bar now needs to have exactly 3 beats. Let's do this. Now let's clap. 1, ready, go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Great job! Let's try one more. Again, let's put in counting. Crotchets gets 1 count, minimum gets 2 counts. This time we are looking at 2/4 time signature. 2 is on the top, so every bar needs to be 2 beats long. Now let's clap. Ready, go. 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 1, 2. And we are done. That's all for today. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any question, please drop your comment below and I will see you in the next video.